Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. At this video I want to show you how you can assemble Kraft play kitchen. At the last video I assembled the other shape. At this video I want to show you the other one. For a start, reverse the box and just cut the tape around the box. When you're done, again reverse the box and remove all the stuff from packaging. Before I start, make sure that all the stuff or all picture doesn't have any damage. For a start, connect part 2 to part 1 like this. Just remember the rail here and here must be inside, and we use 2 screws as on part A. Next step, connect part 3 to other parts, and just remember both sides we have a rail, but if you look at the top we have a 2 hole here. It must be installed like this one. Use a screw as on part B. Next step, connect part 4 to other parts, and just remember the rail must be in the bottom and inside like this one, and use a screw as on part A. Next step, install part 5 to here, and make sure the plastic shape must be under the wood like this one, not like this, and use screw as on part A. Next step, install part 6 to other parts. Just remember this metal shape have to be like this one on the top, connected like this one. Use a screw as on part A. Next step is stove display. Before install we have to put some stuff. 2 plastic like this one we have to put it here, and if you see there is a hole and there is a 1 plastic shape. The next, this part, and use it like this to connect it. Found a lowest step to connect this one. We install it here with the screw as on part A. Next step, install part 8. So if you put the reverse, it doesn't work. Return it. And put it here. Next step is a part 9, like this. First, we're going to install the faucet to here. And use a screw as on part C to connect faucet to wood. Do not tight more, like this. Next step is a part 10 and part 11. Look at here, 2 hole here, 2 hole here. That part is a part 10, connect on the right, and 11 on the left. Use a screw as on part B. Then install part 9 to other part, like this one. Use a screw as on part B. Sometimes when you try to tighten the screw, you see the screw is not screwed on the wood. So make sure the screw have a right direction. It means you have to a little move a screw to be a right place, and then tighten the screw. Next step, install part 12 to here, and use a part 13. If you see we have a rail here, the rail must be installed here. Use a 2 screw as on part B. Next step, use a 2 plastic as an door holder to here, one side here and one side here. Just make sure the plastic shape here must be in front. Next step, we have a 2 door as on part 15 and part 14. If you see 2 connection is here, we install the part 15 here and part 14 over there. So if you see the middle here is adjustable, so when you want to install, just put it here, and you can push this one to move to the right place. You can use a screw, you can use a finger, nail, or something else. So that's it. So for the first time, just push it, then Next door is 14. So for this door, I think it's better you first install the top one and then connect the bottom one. Just push it here. If you want it for security, to save the children, we can connect like this piece to the part and other one to the wall. So you can use a part D and G with 2 washer installed here, and use a screw to connect it to the wall. Next step, we're going to install the staff. This plastic shape, just a little, push it down. If you want to remove it, you can open it the door, and like this one, push it here to remove it. I hope this video can help you to assemble this product. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and hit the like button. Until next video.